Today, I'm going to present the aptitude test, their main features, benefits, difficulties, and some examples. The aptitude test is designed to predict who will be a successful language learner. It doesn't measure core knowledge, but instead focus on abilities such as memorization, phonetic coding, and recognizing grammar patterns. These tests usually have several parts. They are forward-looking because they measure future potential and then try to predict how well someone can learn over a long period of time. Here we have some benefits. One advantage is that aptitude tests help to place learners in the right program. They also identify students who need more support, and they are very useful in research about language learning. However, there are some important difficulties. Language learning depends on many different factors, such as age, personality, social environment, motivation, and even teacher efficiency. Because of this, it's very hard to capture everything in one test. Also, these aptitude tests are usually long, complex, and difficult to apply in practice. Here we have some examples of these tests. The first one is the modern language aptitude test. That predicts success in learning a second language. It measures ability like memory, phonetic, coding, and grammar analysis, but it is limited by cultural bias and its time consuming nature. The second one is the cognitive ability for novelty in acquisition of language foreign tests is designed to measure a person's ability to learn a completely new mini language. It focuses on how well learners adapt to novelty, process unfamiliar linguistic rules, and apply them in communication, making it a test of flexibility and problem solving in language learning. And the third one is the PLAB, developed by Paul Pinlesur, predicts high school student success in language learning by measuring motivation, verbal ability, and aptitude. We're going to make our conclusions. So, language aptitude tests are a valuable tool because it focuses on learners' potential to acquire a new language, not just their core knowledge. So, we've seen different tests such as the MLAT, the PLAB, and the COMMATF. Measures abilities like memory, phonetic coding, motivation, and adaptability. They are useful for research, placement, and identifying students who may need extra support. And however, language learning is influenced by many factors, including age, personality, environment, and teaching quality, which makes this test imperfect and sometimes biased. For this reason, aptitude tests should always be combined with other methods to give a more complete picture of a learner's potential.